And now bring your hands here. And when you're here, bring your right hip up, bring your right knee up. Hold that for a second. Where do you feel that pressure? Perfect. Good. Switch sides. Where do you feel that?
So.
Perfect. Then we work these muscles out more. So I would do about 5 of these before you do the wall walking on both sides. Then turn around for me. Let's try this too. And bring your feet off the wall a little bit. Hips, shoulders head against the wall. Bring your right leg up.
Which one's right?
Let's do this, let's do this. Chair over here. Pull on the chair. Right leg up. More. Right there. Good. Hold for a second. Bring that down. Where do you feel that? Perfect, because you're having to hold your balance with your left hip, the opposite side. Switch sides, left leg up. Good, hold for a second. And let the leg come down. Where do you feel that way? Good. It's the whole leg's going to fire on this side too. Okay, so same thing, let's do the right side one more time. I get confused all the time. Hold it right there, go move. Good, now let it drop. Good. The other side too. Good. Let that drop. Good. How'd that feel, okay?
Yep.
You feel where that's going to need to work all these getting stronger. Because you're holding your body back here now, you even have little back sores. Congratulations. You're moving for it. Make job security for me. It's right there. Good job, Gwen.